The Niner Diner's mobile ordering app is the way to order food on campus. We'll show you how. Search for Transact Mobile in your mobile app store and download the app. In the app, select UNC Charlotte and sign in using your NinerNet credentials. If you have meal swipes, declining balance, or spending accounts like ODA and 49er account, they will automatically be available for use. You can also save debit and credit cards in your payment methods. Scroll through the list of dining locations and see what's open. Select one and scroll through your menu options. Click on a menu item, read the description and nutritional information, and then customize your order. You can choose condiments, sides, and a beverage. Add to cart and check out. The checkout page will display the total, payment options, and your order pickup time. Use Select 49er Card Spending Account if you wish to use declining balance, ODA, or 49er account funds. Declining balance has several options. Use Straight DB if you have the $875 or $1,200 straight declining balance meal plan. Use DB Attached if you have the daily plan or a block plan with attached DB. Use DB Rollover if you have DB funds that have rolled over from a previous semester. Choose your meal. Specify any special requests and allergy information after selecting a payment type. Click Pay after customizing your meal. Look for the mobile order pickup shelf and use the order number listed on your mobile receipt to identify your meal. There's a bonus to using mobile ordering as well. Logging on, ordering food, and using the reorder option earns you points for contests and promotions. Select the star icon at the bottom of the app to learn more and see the current promotions. Mobile ordering is so easy and such a time saver. Dine on, Niners!